Blogify Review Usage Experience. Links to Blogify are available in the description below. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth review of Blogify based on my hands-on experience, highlighting its features, functionality, and who it's best suited for. By the end, you'll know if Blogify is the right content creation tool for you. Blogify is an AI-powered platform designed to transform videos into fully optimized blog posts. Its core feature is automating content repurposing, which makes it ideal for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to maximize their reach without spending hours writing. If you regularly produce video content and want to extend your audience through blogs, Blogify could be a game changer. The platform works by taking your video URL, analyzing the content, and converting it into a well-structured blog post. The output includes headers, paragraphs, and even SEO optimization. Blogify uses AI to ensure that the tone and formatting match professional blogging standards, making your post engaging and ready to publish. For added convenience, it supports integrations with popular CMS platforms like WordPress, so you can directly publish your content. One standout feature is Blogify's built-in SEO tools, which automatically add relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags to improve your post's search engine visibility. This is especially useful for content creators who want to rank higher on Google without hiring an SEO expert. Another valuable feature is the multilingual support, enabling you to create posts in multiple languages, expanding your reach to global audiences. In terms of usability, Blogify offers a simple and intuitive interface, which requires minimal setup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, the learning curve is almost non-existent. However, while it's excellent for repurposing video content, its AI sometimes struggles with extracting precise context from complex or abstract videos, which may require light editing for accuracy. Overall, Blogify is perfect for video-first creators, marketers, and small businesses looking to streamline their content strategy. If you want a tool that saves time and enhances productivity, Blogify is worth considering. Links to explore and try Blogify are in the description, so check them out to see if it fits your needs.